Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're going over some of the best products on all of Amazon. I absolutely love this one, you guys. This is the Briza infrared outdoor heater. This is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna go over what really makes, that infrared part is what makes this heater so awesome, but we'll go over that in a minute. Just want to tell you guys, this is dual usage, so you can either mount it or it comes with a tripod and you can set it on that and it be, you know, really portable. Use it wherever you would like. It is indoor or outdoor, and you guys, you can use this in any type of weather. It's going to stand up to rain, snow, sleet, whatever you put it through for years and years to come. So this is just an amazing heater. It also has a lot of safety features that you are going to love. It has a shield over the heating elements, so even if your kids or your pets accidentally bump into this or touch it, they are not going to burn themselves. I love that. It also has an automatic shut-off feature for if it's tipped over or something happens to it, it's gonna just shut off, so that way you don't have to worry about it being a fire hazard either. It has a timer for 1 to 9 hours and it will automatically shut off when you're done using it. So here is the cool part, the infrared part. You guys, this is so much more than just your typical electric space heater or a heater that's just blowing hot air into the environment. This works very similarly to the sun. So it's going to actually work to heat up the things in the environment next to the heater. So it's going to raise the ambient temperature around you. It's not just blowing hot air into the environment, it's going to warm up the chair, warm up the table, warm up the floor and everything around you. So it's going to make a nice, cozy, amazing environment that's really similar to being out on a sunny day. So you guys, definitely check this out. It's also really, really energy efficient and cost effective. So if you are using it inside, that's a great cost saving way too, to use this, you know, in your house. So I love this product. It's amazing. It's got so many great reviews, specifically because it's just a great product. You know that it's going to last and hold up over time, and it's also going to be really safe. You guys go ahead and put it in your cart. You're going to be